Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to u. This one that is about 3x squared. This one we have number 1. Now, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 going here and here. So u equals to the square root of number 3. When s equals to number 6, so we put number 6 going here and here. So u equals to the square root of 228. So number 1, we change for the square root of number 3. Number 6, we change for this one. The square root, we change for u. This one, that is about 2u du. So number 2, I will put outside. U and u, we have u squared. The integration of u squared, that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from the square root of number 3 to the square root of 228. So I will put this one going here and this one going here. So we calculate this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.